Hi guys! So I'm doing this fun little project by upcycling this Elmo potty and turning it into a planter. I drilled holes into this cup like this. This Elmo potty is really cute, and instead of throwing it out and ending up in the landfill along with other junk, I think it's a great idea to reuse it. It's also a fun way to remember those potty training days that are long gone since my youngest is now 5 years old. So my plan is to use this to pot some of my string of pearls stem cuttings. Since I need to keep this planter indoors to protect from sunlight, I think string of pearls would be the best choice. I filled it with a super fast draining potting mix. I'll go ahead and stick the stem cuttings in. You can take the bottom beads out to make the stem longer. And here you go. I'm done, and this is how it looks. I think it looks super cute and fun. So I'm just squirting some water here, and I'm done. Before I end this video, here's an update on how the plant is doing 1 week later. I think it's doing really well. I put it next to my other string of pearls so they can all bond and get reacquainted. They're all related because they're all pretty much from the same mother anyway. And listen to this. Thank you so much for watching this really short video. Please like it if you found it useful and subscribe to this channel if these are the types of content you'd like to see. I have a playlist of related topics that you can check out down below. Thanks so much for stopping by and happy gardening!